to handsonerp.com. This is Hassan Mir and we'll talk about Introduction to Oracle Financials. Objectives of this tutorial are to give you an overview on ERP, Oracle applications and Oracle Financials. We'll talk about Oracle Financials modules and how modules talk to each other. We'll also talk about Oracle Corporation. Let's start with ERP. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Actually, ERP is a special category of software that manages your whole enterprise. A company typically consists of departments, and each department would need some kind of a software to manage its information. So ERP would consist of different modules. Each department would be using one or two modules of the ERP software to manage its end-to-end solution. So as a whole, the whole company would be using the ERP, but each department would be using part of ERP. So the small circle in this diagram are representing the part of ERP that each department is using, and the bigger ERP at the top left corner, bigger circle is representing that whole company is using the ERP software. So just keep that in mind, that ERP is not like one software. It has parts or modules. Each module is a standalone software which is used by different departments. Okay, so who are the leading ERP vendors out there? Oracle and SAP are the largest player, and Oracle's software is called Oracle E-Business Suite. It used to be known as Oracle Applications. SAP software is called My SAP ERP. It used to be known as SAP R3. PeopleSoft and JD Edwards are also big player in ERP market, but Oracle purchased PeopleSoft, so now PeopleSoft is also managed by Oracle Corporation. PeopleSoft has already acquired JD Edwards before Oracle Corporation has purchased PeopleSoft. Therefore, Oracle Corporation is now maintaining all these three ERP, Oracle E-Business Suite, PeopleSoft and JD Edwards. Lawson is also a big player in ERP market. Microsoft also makes an ERP software which is not really an ERP because not very scalable, but it is used by small to medium-sized companies. It's called Microsoft Dynamics. It used to be known as Microsoft Business Solutions. Let's talk about Oracle E-Business Suite or Oracle applications. Okay, so we can divide Oracle E-Business Suite into further groups. So Oracle Financials, Oracle Manufacturing, Human Resources, etc. So Oracle Financial is a group within E-Business Suite. So E-Business Suite is the name of a larger group of groups. Okay, so I'm going to tell you in a bit why I'm calling Oracle Financial a group. The reason is that Oracle Financial is nothing but simply a name of 5 modules that are part of Oracle Financial. So these 5 modules are actually standalone applications, and together they are called Oracle Financial. Similarly, there are other standalone applications as well, and they have been put in various groups based on the area they cater to. For example, Oracle Manufacturing is nothing but it's simply a group of individual standalone applications. So all these groups together are called Oracle E-Business Suite. So suite is a proper word used here. So let's talk about Oracle Financials. Okay, so Oracle Financials. Oracle Financials, as I said, consists of 5 modules. So module and applications are synonym. So you can say Oracle Financial consists of 5 applications. Now let's talk about these 5 applications. Okay, so a company, a typical company would have vendors, would have customers, and it would deal with the banks, and it will be a requirement for the company to manage all these external entities. Okay, so there is a module in Oracle Financials that cater to each of this need of that company. Okay, so for example, to manage customers, it's a module called Accounts Receivable is used now, known as Oracle Receivable. Similarly, to manage vendors, a module called Accounts Payable or Oracle payables that is used, and cash management or Oracle cash management is used to manage your banks. Okay, so there is another module called fixed assets or Oracle assets that is used to manage assets of the company. Assets could be anything like laptop, computers, building, etc. And finally, general ledger module, the most important module, is used to manage the accounting of the company. Okay, now what is accounting? I've prepared a separate tutorial for that, but for now just understand accounting is simply measurement of quantitative measurement of the business events that are taking place. So accounting would tell you how much profit you have made, how much expenses you have incurred, how much assets and liabilities you incurred in the last month or last year, things like that. So so all the information flows from different modules. All the accounting information flows into this general ledger module, which manages the accounting, and all the reports, financial reports, are run out of general ledger module that tells anybody about the health of the company. Okay, so it's a recap. We have accounts payable module, which is now known as Oracle payables. It's used by the company to manage the vendors. So this module will tell the company what you have purchased from which vendor, have you paid on time, or what method you used for payments and things like that. Similarly, accounts receivable module, now known as Oracle receivables, helps you manage your customers. So this module will tell you who bought what from you, has the person paid, or has that organization paid you, what was the payment method, and what is the credit rating, and things like that. Like cash management module, known as Oracle cash management, helps you reconcile your bank statement at the month end. It would tell you like, has the bank made any error or not, or are your books in sync with the bank, and how many bank accounts you have, and what's the status of the bank accounts, etc., etc. And so Oracle assets, or fixed asset used to be known as, is a module of Oracle Financial that lets you manage your assets. So this module will help you answer questions like which asset is located at what location, which employee is using that asset, what has been the depreciation expense of the asset. So it's a technical term. I will help you understand that in my assets tutorial. So depreciation is an expense that each asset incurs, etc., etc. And finally, like just a recap, the general ledger module helps you manage your accounting. So accounting is nothing but a quantitative measurement of the business events that are taking place. Everything at the end of the day gets translates into debits and credits and GL accounts. So all these three things together in the reports helps you make the business decisions, and tells you about the health of the company. Okay, so quickly I'll talk about modules interfaces. So like, modules talk to each other. That's the only point I'm trying to make here. So the information flows from one module to another. So as I just give you an example, all the accounting information flows from all the modules into general ledger, invoices, etc., flows from accounts payable into fixed assets. So the assets are automatically created. So here point is not to explain you what kind of information flows. So I just want to tell you that modules talk to each other, although they are standalone software, but the strength comes when they talk to each other. So that's why companies implement the whole ERP in each of their department. Okay, so this difference between flowing of information from one module to another, as we saw in the last slide. Here I'm trying to explain you that data is also shared among modules. So in order to prevent the duplication, for example, if you have created a bank in cash management, you don't have to create another bank in accounts payable and receivable. The same information will be shared. It will be only stored at one place. So redundancy is